At ngayon naman, Carla, kakain ka na naman sa One Life. Ano to? Best of the Filipino food naman. So marami kang ulam na tinikman na puro Filipino food. Ayan naman ang matututukan natin at kaiinggitan natin ngayong umaga sa One Life.
Good morning mga boss. Tuwing buwan ng Mayo nga, maraming probinsya ang nagdiriwang ng fiesta. Ngunit mga boss, hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas ng Manila dahil may pinuntahan kaming isang food festival sa isang tanyag na hotel sa Manila. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! Good morning, Chef.
Good morning, Carla. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
Ano ba yung mga pagkain na sinuserve mo on this food fest?
For me, I'm actually doing like an American kind of American-Filipino play.
So it's like a fusion.
It definitely would be a fusion. So like behind it, we have the adobo sliders, and we have like turkey, we have baked salmon.
Chef, ano po ba yung mga hinanda ninyong pagkain for this food festival?
Let's start with pancit molo, Prichon pancakes, kurubuta pork chops, lechon with a homemade liver sauce.
Yes.
Then we made salpicao.
I want to take you to a journey. These are my mom's recipes. I'm really into Pampanga cuisine because that's where we came from, you know. So this time I have sisig with foie gras.
Wow.
And for my kare-kare, I don't use peanut, but I use macadamia with truffle sauce.
Wow, that's so shy.
Sounds fattening, but quite
Yes,
good.
and also para naman sa mga foreigners, sa mga dayuhan to appreciate our dishes, di ba? Chef Luis, what do you think makes the Filipino dish so special?
It's really, you know, Pinoys are really cool with discarte, di ba? We are madiscarte.
Yes.
So I think that our food is really made for us Filipinos, but we can tweak it and we can twist it to make it more like our own, make it global, make it fun, di ba? That's what I love about Filipino food.
We use very simple ingredients, and it's interesting because like when you look at it, hindi siya, di ba sabi nila yung Pinoy food daw hindi ganun ka-appetizing. Pero pag nalasahan mo na, ay, ang lalim pa naman ng mga flavors. So, I guess it's, never judge a book by its cover.
So what do you think makes the Filipino dish interesting to cook?
The easy style to cook, yeah. And if I give my creation rein by the pork adobo, I cook the pork adobo with a red wine from Germany.
That's
I
nice.
have German potatoes inside and top it with the prawns.
Please come everyone and we'll let you have fun experiencing the flavors of Filipino cuisine.
Talagang magarbo ang handaan tuwing fiesta. Kaya mga boss, pumunta na kayo sa food festival na ito para ma-experience ang Filipino fiesta. Carla Paderno po for One Life.
Alright, talaga naman nakakaingit itong si Carla Paderna.
Oo,
No,
eh.
lahat na ata ng hotel, naikot niya yung mga,
Oo,
nakapag-buffet pa siya.
Sa Diamond Hotel pa at napakasarap na ng Filipino cuisine na talagang sinuserve nila dyan at mukhang busog na naman si Carla.
Anong favorite mo? Ako adobo. Sinigang
Ako
na
sinigang.
baboy.
Yan ang hindi ko may iwasan. Talagang pinapaliguan ko yung kanin. Nagsiswimming na siya sa sabaw. Ganun talaga kasarap kumain.
Ganun